choreographer in WNO Youth Opera for 2 years. Performing on stage has definitely improved my confidence. I've picked up things along the way, different things about music and performance that have overall built up my skills.
I started when I was 10 in year 5. I'm 12 now. I've learnt that acting, even if you're not told to, is okay.
I've been doing it for 5 years now, so I started in September 2014. I've never looked back, and it's been such an amazing opportunity, and we have such amazing tutors here, and they're so supportive and they really want you to do well, so I think it's such a lovely environment.
Working with all different kinds of people in age has really made me realise that everyone can do it. It's not just a certain group of people.
It's really important to be free, and when the kids sung this in the terrorist and concentration camp, it makes them free. So being part of something like this, I'm really privileged.
Brundibár is big and scary. All kids' worst nightmares, a bit of a representation of the boogeyman.
But then there's also an element that he's liked. I mean, he plays this music from his organ grinder, which is a very scary machine, but it's really pretty music.
It's been really incredible working with Tomáš and David, because it's clear to, I think, everyone who's doing the performance that Tomáš really has a passion for this because of its history and because of his mother.
It's obviously so amazing working with David as well, having watched so many operas of his over the years and everything. It's overwhelming to work with him. It's really, really lovely.
I haven't seen the costumes yet, but I've seen photos and they look incredible, and so does the set.
The backdrop is so bright and there's all these houses and it's so pretty, and obviously there's the element that's in a concentration camp, so you have kind of the bright colours kind of fading into some of the barbed wire and the bricks. We've worked really hard for this now, and so I'll just be excited to just perform it to the best that we possibly can.